Hi, what is up, my fellow anglers? So, today we are going to turn this into this. Today, I will be giving you few tricks and tips on how to get rid of the bird nest. Okay, so what is bird nest, or how does bird nest happen? Basically, when your spool is traveling faster than your lure, that's going to create a bird nest. Okay, so in order for you to fix a bird nest, first you need a bird nest. There you go. This is what we call a bird nest or backlash. To fix this bird nest, use your thumb to control your spool and your other hand to pull out your main line, just like this. Now, sometimes just by pulling out the line, it will solve the bird nest, but then sometimes your main line will get stuck like this. You see? So you see that there? It is stuck there. Yep, stuck. You don't need to pull out all this line. All you need to do is you just pull the line that is stuck there. You only need to pull this. Okay, use your thumb, just pull it like that. Wait, focus. Just pull it like that, and once it came loose, pull your main line again, and if it's stuck again, search for the line that is stuck. There it is. So you only need to pull this loop that is stuck to the main line. Let's pull it like this. Just free it. After you free it, pull the main line again until your bird nest is fixed. Alright, so when you are reeling in your main line back, make sure that the main line is stiff. Just hold your line like this and reel it in. Alright, make sure it's stiff. Okay, and that's it. So that's how you fix a bird nest. It is simple, really. So let us try to fix this one. Now again, your thumb, just pull out. If you can't pull it out, search the loop that is stuck with the line, and in this case, here it is. So you just pull the loop, free the loop, just pull it out like this. Okay, and try again. You see, now the line is free. So you just pull your line until you solve your backlash. Oops, now it's stuck. It's stuck again. Can you see that? The line is stuck there. So you just pick it out like this, free the line, and try to pull it back. If it's still stuck, pick it out again like this. Okay, if it is still stuck, repeat the same process again. just be careful. You really need to be careful on your line. You don't want to hurt your line, right? Just be fast, but at the same time be gentle. You're still stuck there. You see? Stuck there. Now let's get it up.
Are you sure about that?
Alright, so sometimes you're really unlucky and you get the kind of bird nest or backlash that seems impossible to fix. Like this, you cannot pull it out. This is the time where this is useful. So, do you know what it is? Yep, this is a line cutter. This will help us to take care of the bird nest, and I will show you how. So what do you think I'm going to do with this? You guessed it right. I will use this little tool right here. Okay, I'll use that to pull the backlash or the bird nest out of my reel, and I will show you how to do it. Before you use this, you need to make sure that there are no sharp edges around the hook. Okay, so what you need to do is, let's search for the, okay, so you just take the hook and gently pull out the line that is stuck in your reel, like this. Gently, just pull the line gently. Okay, still stuck there. Just pull it very carefully, free it. Alright, just like so. And still stuck. Just take your time. So if you can use your thumb, so just pull that out very carefully, and it's gone. Problem solved. You just need to make sure that there are no sharp edges, and you need to carefully use this to pull out your line. Okay, you don't want any damage done to your line. So at this point, if the bird nest is really hard to fix, this will be your last choice. Okay, never ever use this tool. This should be your last choice. All right, you should only use this when it is impossible to use your fingers to pull out the line. Then you will use this. Till then, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and if you do, please leave a comment, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. More videos will come soon. Alright, thank you so much, and have a great fishing.